back to my channel. This is me, Ishita. I hope you all are doing great. So I have created this green eye makeup look. I hope you like it, and it's like my first time when I have created this type of a look, which is really a very interesting thing for me. Like I was very excited to create this look, and I am not 100% perfectly created it. I know this is like my first time, first attempt, so it will be improved gradually. I hope you like it. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So today I'm starting with this matte प्राइमर विच इज़ फ्रॉम वेट एंड वाइल्ड. ये आपकी स्किन को पूरी तरीके से मेटिफाई कर देता है. तो बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि वाई यू यूज़ दिस प्राइमर. Primer is very important part of any makeup. This will create a barrier between your makeup and your skin so that your skin will never get affected. जो मैं नेक्स्ट यूज़ करने वाली हूँ वो है आईब्रो एल्फ का आईब्रो किट. इट हैज़ 3 डिफरेंट कलर, लाइट, मीडियम एंड डार्क, एंड आई एम यूजिंग द डार्केस्ट वन. इवन दो इट्स अ डार्केस्ट वन, बट वो थोड़ा लाइट है मेरे आईब्रो के अकॉर्डिंग. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई विल बी यूजिंग द एल्फ आईब्रो पेंसिल सो दैट आई कैन अचीव इंटेंस बोल्ड आईब्रो. Next I'm using this a concealer which is true कलर ऑफ माई स्किन, जो कि मेरे स्किन से परफेक्टली मैच करता है, जिससे आई कैन ईज़िली हाइड माई पिगमेंटेशन और माई एक्नी मार्क. आप देख सकते हो कि मेरे जितने भी एक्नी मार्क है वो कितनी ईज़िली इसे ब्लेंड कर रहा है मेरे स्किन के साथ. So the next I'm going to use here is from Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to prep my eyelids for my eye makeup, and I'm using a flat brush to spread it evenly. And after that I will be using Maybelline loose powder to bake my eyelid. Now quickly moving towards my eye makeup, and I am using ELF 18 Wonder eyeshadow palette. Personally guys, I really don't like the texture of this eyeshadow. This is quite powdery. Anyways, I'm using this Super Me shade and spreading it all over my eyelid. So next I'm using this evergreen color from the same ELF palette, and I did little mistake guys. Like I have filled it up all Super Me color over my crease line, which is incorrect. If you want to do cut crease eye makeup, you should not fill all your color to the eye crease area, so that if you filled up it will not give you intense color. I did little correction over here and I blended perfectly so that it won't look segmented. And also I'm using this glitter palette to give more intense look. This eye look is perfect for any evening wedding function like Sangeet and reception. Next, for my face, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation with the shade number 334. This is the true color for my skin tone, guys. This is quite light for your skin. अगर आप डे फंक्शन के लिए जा रहे हो तो ये मैं रिकमेंड करूँगी कि आप एक फिट मी फाउंडेशन ज़रूर रखें. ये महंगा भी नहीं है और ये मैट फिनिश देता है. ये आपकी स्किन पे बहुत ही लाइट लगता है. आपको फील ही नहीं होता है कि आपने फाउंडेशन लगाया है. Next, again I'm using this Fit Me Age Refiner Concealer to highlight my face, like my under eye area, bridge of nose, and little bit through forehead and little bit chin. So I'm using the same sponge to blend it perfectly. Next, I'm using this Fit Me loose powder to bake my concealed area, and I will keep it like that only, and after that I will be moving for my contour part. And I was not able to find my brush, so I'm using this little brush to contour my face. I'm moving towards my eye makeup again, and I'm creating this wing eyeliner with the help of Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner Pencil. So next I'm using this falsie to create a more intense volume to my eyelashes. It's up to you. If you want, you can skip this step totally. So again I'm using this a dark black shade from the same palette to fill up my lower lash line so that it will give you more intense eye look. And now I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal, which is black, and I'm filling up my lower waterline. And now I'm using this Annabella Perfect blush, which is a very pigmented, so try to build up gradually, otherwise it will not look good. This is very nice color and it's really matches with my skin tone, and I'm just blending it with the contour. And now I'm using this elf highlighter. This is very nice color guys, and ये बहुत ही सस्ता है. I got it in like $2 or $3, and again I'm contouring my nose. You know, my nose is little small, so that's why I'm using this contour part. And now I'm using this Milani lip color, and I'm going to outline to my lips. So next I'm using for my lips Milani Amar Matte Lip Cream to fill up my lips with the shade 11 Precious. and this is my final look, you guys. I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a big thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you.